I will be coding a game using this PyGame in 30 days. I wanted to do this because personally I have learned no coding language. And I realized this wasn't exactly a coding language, but I decided to do it anyway. By the end of this video, I'm also going to be getting a coder who came literally in our newsletter, come and rate my game. Just like anyone else, I decided to find the shortest tutorial. To be even more big brain, I decided to speed it up until I can actually understand what's going on the video. This line of code right here is just to make sure that PyGame is actually working, and we got OS is to make sure that this code can actually access the files right here. Then we got the font for the fonts and the mixer for the sound. Also, I'm not going to be going through every line of code. Of course, I'm going to keep it broad and simple. This is the main game loop, which keeps the game running and closes it only when I want it to. This includes custom commands, but I'll show you guys what I mean by this in a second. What I was meant to say was function and not custom command. This function holds all the code, which actually draws all these objects on that game window. While defining the positions of the objects on the screen, whether it be the spaceship, the bullets, or the background, you need to consider the origin on the top left of the screen. Also, the X and Y coordinates need to be positive. So far, so good. But I kept running into problems like these, and honestly, I almost gave up. It's already nighttime, and my laptop is literally running like a machine. I finally managed to solve the problem. I wanted to make my game a bit different from the original game, so I decided to change the keybinds. While pressing the forward arrow key, I actually want the spaceship to go in front in its perspective. In the original game, it will go to its left. And so I defined the movement for both of the spaceships in both of these functions. To know if one of the bullets hit the target or not, I needed to create invisible rectangles of the dimensions of the spaceships, so that when a bullet hits that, the bullet gets deleted, and that is going to be defined as an event in there. And then I decided to find myself some sound effects, and this will only play when actually one of the bullet hits the other target. So on that event, I put it so that it also removes a bit of the health, and that sound effect will actually play. We're now at the last part, and the only thing I need to deal with is the spaceship's health. It's gonna be easy, I think. So did I thought. I kept running into problems, and I needed to fix this. I need to be fast. I finally finished coding this. All I need to do is make sure this game is a bit more realistic to play and not super difficult hard. Not something that you can spam bullets. The coder just came to my house, and now I'm gonna ask him for a rating on a scale of 9 to 10.
So I said 6 out of 10. Or was it by you? I don't think you made the sound effects either. Those two things are fine. I had a little peek at your code, and I must say you're one of those people who comments out every single line, which isn't that bad, but you shouldn't.
Okay, I got it.
Okay?
Thank you for this feedback.